Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Front-End God. And in this video I will tell you how can you make a simple but responsive testimonial section like this by using Tailwind CSS. So for small screen devices like tablets and mobile phones, it looks like this. Okay, so the testimonial cards are basically stacked one below the another like this. Okay, and for small screen devices like large screen devices like monitors and laptop, it looks like this. Okay, so without any further ado, we are starting the video. And if you are new on my channel, so please help me to reach 1000 subscriber. So please subscribe my channel if you are new on this video. Okay, so this is our project folder called as testimonials, and we are going to use this image. So the first image is boy.jpg, the second image is girl.jpg, and the third image is icons. Okay, so I will open this folder with Visual Studio Code, and for using Tailwind CSS we have to create HTML file. So we will name it as index.html like this. Okay, and we are using the HTML boilerplate. Okay, so this is our boilerplate, and we are giving the title as testimonial section. Okay, so let me change it to responsive testimonial section. So we have to use the Tailwind CSS CDN. So we will visit the Tailwind CSS website, get started, and we have to use the CDN option. So I will simply copy paste this script tag here. Okay, and we will paste inside the heading section in our HTML boilerplate. So we will use the section tag since we have to create section. So we will use the Tailwind classes like this. So I want the text color to be gray. So text will be gray and the shade will be 700. So since we have want a dark shade, so we are using the 700. So we will create a div. So class will be container. So we are using container to store our cards. So we are using px is 5, that is padding left, and padding right will be 20 pixel, and py 24, that is padding top and padding bottom will be 96 pixel. Okay, and margin, that is mx auto, that is margin left, and margin right will be auto. Okay, so I will give a heading h1 and I will name it as testimonial like this. So we will use class. Text size will be 3xl for example. So I will open it with live server. Okay, so it is good. And title will be font size will be bold, font weight will be bold, text align center. and padding bottom will be 16. Okay, like this. So again, div class. So we are using flexbox. So flex wrap, and the negative margin will be minus m hyphen 4. Okay, so we are going to design our first card. So inside the comment I will use card 1. Okay, and we will use div. So class will be, padding will be 4 from all the side, and for small screen devices like mobile and tablets the width will be half, and for large screen devices like monitors and laptop the width will be full. Okay, like this. And we are using div class. Okay, so height will be full for our testimonial cards, and background will be blue. So we want light blue, so blue 200. Padding will be 8, and rounded. So we are using the comma icon. Okay, so this is our comma icon. So img tag, so it is inside the images folder, images.icons.png, and alt will be image for examples. Okay, okay, so this is our comma image. So I will use class, height will be 12 and width will be 12. Okay, like this. So now we will use paragraph tag. So p class, font will be semi bold, font weight, and margin bottom will be 6, and I want 25 words for these cards. So this is the content that we are using here. Okay, like this. Okay, so we want to use the customer image and the category. So I will comment customer image and category. Okay, so I will use div class will be inline flex, sorry, inline flex, align item will be center, and we want to use this image. Okay, so img image boy.jpg, So alt will be image, and class will be width will be 12, height will be 12, rounded, full, object size will be cover, object will be cover, and object will be center. Okay, like this. And we will give the name here. So I will use span. I will give class flex, and flex direction will be column, and padding left will be 4. Okay, so again span, class will be font, font weight will be bold, text will be gray, 600, and I will name it as John Doe. Okay, John Doe for example. And again span, class will be text small size, so text sn, and customer. Okay, okay, so this is the name, and customer is the category of the person. Okay, so this is our first card. So now we will simply copy paste this section here. Okay, so I will simply copy this and paste it here. So this is our card 2, and we have to use the girl.jpg image like this. So the image name will be girl. Okay, and we will give name like Kara, John, Jones. Okay, for example like this. Okay, so these are our cards, testimonial cards, by using Tailwind CSS. And for small screen devices like tablets and mobile, it looks like this. Okay, so they are simply stacked one below the another, and they are completely responsive like this. Okay, so in this video we are using only one HTML file, that is index.html. So that's it for this video. And if you are new, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you for watching.